Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: battery, network, and credentials. Once done, restart the device to clear transient glitches. This often frees a frozen home screen quickly. Make sure you can unlock the phone with your passcode so you can change settings. Next, inspect accessibility and launcher settings. Some updates or apps override the home screen. If touch seems unresponsive, toggle airplane mode briefly to force a network reset before deeper troubleshooting. You now isolate the cause by booting into safe mode or a guest profile. This tells you whether third-party apps are responsible. If safe mode fixes it, clear the launcher's cache and data, then update or uninstall suspect apps. Make sure to check recent app permissions. Home overlays or accessibility permissions can lock the home screen. Once you identify the app, reinstall or replace it. If the system launcher is corrupted, reset its settings before considering a full reset. You finish by installing any pending system updates and rebooting. Updates often include stability fixes that resolve home screen locks. Then reconfigure your home layout and app permissions carefully. Restore only verified backups. If the issue persists after these steps, create a full backup and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes everything. If even a reset fails, reach out to manufacturer support or an authorized service. They can check for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.